Hello guys, welcome to IGCSE Homie. This is Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics, Paper 42, May-June 2021. Let's do it together. Question 1. A 2.5 liter tin of paint costs $13.5 in a sale. The cost is reduced by 14%. Work out the sale price of this tin of paint. So the original price of it is $13.5 and it is reduced by 14%. Therefore, multiply 100 minus 14 over 100. You will get 11.61. This is your answer. Work out the cost of buying 42.5 liters of paint at this sale price. So from the previous calculation, 2.5 liters costs $11.61. Therefore, 42.5 liters will cost 42.5 multiplied by 11.61 over 2.5, which will give 197.37. This is your answer. Henry buys some paint in the ratio red paint to white paint to green paint equals 2 to 8 to 5. Find the percentage of this paint that is white. So the white ratio is 8 over 2 plus 8 plus 5, which is 8 over 15. And then if you calculate this in your calculator and change this into decimal place, you will get 53.33%. This is your answer. Henry buys a total of 22.5 liters of paint. Find the number of liters of green paint he buys. The ratio of green paint is 5. Therefore, 5 over 15 multiplied by 22.5, which is 7.5 liters. Maria paints a rectangular wall. The length of the wall is 20.5 meters and the height is 2.4 meters. Both correct to one decimal place. 1 liter of paint covers an area of exactly 10 meters square. Calculate the smallest number of 2.5 liter tins of paint. So you need to be sure all the wall is painted. Show all your working. To begin with, you have to find the upper bound of the area, which is the upper bound of 20.5 multiply 2.4 and both correct to one decimal place. Because both correct to one decimal place, 0.1 multiplied by 2 gives 0.05 and they want the upper bound of both of the lengths. Therefore, 20.5 plus 0.05 multiply 2.4 plus 0.05, and this is the upper ball area, and then you will have to divide this area by 2.5 multiplied by 10, and the answer is around 2.0139. Well, the answer is around 2, but you have to answer 3 because if you answer 2, it won't be enough for this one. Therefore, the answer is 3. The table shows some values for y equals to 2 multiplied 0.5 power x minus 1. Complete the table. In order to complete this table, you just have to input this value of x to this equation, and you will get the value of y. And if x is 0, y will be 1. And if x is 2, y will be minus 0.5. On the grid, draw the graph of y equals to 2 multiply 0.5 power x minus 1 for the value of x, which is equals or more than minus 1 and equals or less than 2. So you just plot the graph according to the value of x and y's in the table. By drawing a suitable straight line, solve the equation 2 multiply 0.5 power x plus 2x minus 3.5 equals 0 for the value of x, which is equals or more than minus 1 and equals or less than 2. The first thing you have to do is minus these two equations together. This equation and this equation. Therefore, you will get the first equation is y equals 2 multiply 0.5 power x minus 1, and this equation is 0 equals to 2 multiply 0.5 power x plus 2x minus 3.5 minus this equation. You will get y equals to minus 2x plus 2.5. And then next, we are going to draw a suitable straight line. But first, we have to calculate the value of x-intercept and y-intercept. If the value of y equals to 0, the value of x is 1.25 according to this equation. And if the value of x is equal to 0, the value of y is 2.5, and then then just plot these 2 points in the graph. And then find the value of x, which is this value, which is 1.35. There are no solutions to the equation. 2 multiply 0.5 power x minus 1 equals 2k, where k is an integer. Complete the following statements. The highest possible value of k is. Therefore, if you look at the graph, because they mentioned that k is an integer, therefore, the highest possible value of k is minus 1. So you write minus 1. The equation of the asymptote of the graph of y equals to 2 multiply 0.5 power x minus 1 is, it is this pink line. Therefore, this pink line is y equals minus 1. Question 3. Simplify, giving your answer as a single power of 7. 7 power 5 multiply 7 power 6, which is equal to 7 power 11. You just add the power together. And next, 7 power 15 divide 7 power 5 is 7 power 10, because I minus their powers together. 42 plus 7 is equal to 49, which is 7 squared. Simplify this. Therefore, this is equal to 5 cubed multiply x power 6. 6 comes from 2 multiply 3. And then multiply 2 cubed and x cubed and y power 12, which comes from 4 multiply 3. And then multiply 5 cubed and 2 cubed together, and multiplies x power 6 and x cubed together. You will get 1000 x power 9 y power 12 as your answer. Find the highest common factor of P and Q. So the first thing that I will do is I will factorize Q. 540 is equal to 36 multiply 15. which 36 is equal to 9 multiplied 4, and 9 is 3 square, and 4 is 2 square, and 15 is 5 multiplied 3. And this is equal to 3 cubed multiply 2 square multiply 5. And to find the highest common factor, you just look for the value which is like the same in the number, which in this case is 3 cubed and 2 square. Therefore, your answer will be 3 cubed multiply 2 square, which is 108. Find the lowest common multiple of P and Q. Well, we have already factorized 540. And this is Q. This is P. And next, you have to find the values or the numbers which is the same in Q and P, which in this case is these two numbers. And then if they are the same, I won't multiply them twice. Therefore, your answer will be like 2 square multiply 3 cube, and then multiply the left numbers, which is multiply 5, multiply 2 cube, and then multiply 7. And you will get 30,240. P multiplied R is a cube number, where R is an integer. Find the smallest possible value of R. So you know that P is equal to this value. But this number and this number are not cube numbers. Therefore, you have to make this number a cube number. Therefore, I want to convert 2 power 5 into 2 power 6. And I want to convert 7 to 7 cube. And in order to convert 2 power 5 into 2 power 6, I have to multiply 2 power 1. And in order to convert 7 to 7 cube, I will have to multiply 7 square. And then, as you know that, this is the value of P. And this number is the value of R, which is 7 square multiplied 2, which is 98. Factorize the following completely. X squared minus 3x minus 28, which is x plus 4 multiply x minus 7, because 4 multiplied minus 7 is minus 28, and 4 plus minus 7 is minus 3. And then for this equation, I want to put this value in front of the blanket. And then multiply 7 in this blanket. You will get 7a plus 14b, and then plus 4a. And then add 7a and 4a together. You will get 11a plus 14b. And this is your answer. Find an expression for y in terms of x. So first, I want to change 9 power x into 3 power 2 and then power x, which is equal to 3 power 2x. So 1 over 3 power 2x multiply 3 power 2y minus x. And then I want to write this value as 3 power minus 2x, and then multiply with this. And as you can see, this is 3, this is 3, this is 3. Therefore, their powers are equal. And you will get 2x plus 1 is equal to minus x plus 2y minus x, which you will get 5x minus 1 is equal to 2y. Therefore, y is equal to 5x minus 1 over 2. Question 4. The mass m kilogram of each 40 parcels in a warehouse is recorded. The table shows information about the mass of these parcels. Complete the histogram to show this information. In this case, they want you to calculate the frequency density. And the frequency density is calculated by frequency over the class width. And the class width in this is 0.5. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. And this is 5. Therefore, the frequency density in this is 4 over 0.5, which is 8. For this, 7 over 1 equals to 7. 15 over 2 is 7.5. 10 over 3 is 3.33. 4 over 5 is 0.8. And then completes the histogram. Calculate an estimate of the mean mass of the parcels. So first, I will find the mid value of each of these values. The mid value of the first one is 0.75. For the second one is 1.5. The third one is 3. The fourth one is 5.5. And the last one is 9.5. Therefore, multiply this value to its frequency. So 4 multiplied by 0.75, and then after you multiply every of them, multiply this to this, and this to this, and this to this, and this to this, then you will have to add them together. Which can write as n over frequency, which is 4 plus 7 plus 15 plus 10 plus 4. Therefore, you will get 3.7875. A parcel is picked at random from the 40 parcels. Find the probability that this parcel has a mass of 2 kg or less. So we have to count the frequency of the 2 kg or less, which is 4 plus 7. This is equal to 11. And over the number of parcels, which is 40. So 11 over 40 is your answer. 2 parcels are picked at random with a replacement from those with a mass greater than 2 kilograms. Work out the probability that one of them has a mass greater than 7 kilograms and the other has a mass of 4 or less. So first, for the one which has a mass greater than 7 kilograms, well, there are 4. So this is 4 over 29. 29 comes from 15 plus 10 plus 4 and multiply by the other one, which has a mass of 4 kilograms or less. But you have to be careful in this because they pick from a mass which is greater than 2 kilograms. Therefore, a mass which is 4 kilograms or less and greater than kilogram is this 15. Therefore, 15 over 28 because they pick without replacement. Therefore, you will get 15 over 203. And then this is the first case, but there are also the second case that you pick the mass which has a mass of 4 kilograms or less first, and then pick a mass which is greater than 7 kilograms later. Therefore, the second case will be 15 over 29 multiply 4 over 28, which is the same answer. And then you add them together. You will get 30 over 203. A van delivers parcels from a different warehouse. The box and whisker plot shows information about the mass of the parcels in the van. Find the median. And the median is this value, which is 4.6. 5. The interquartile range. The interquartile range is the upper bound minus lower bound, and the upper bound is 6.2 and the lower bound is 3. Therefore, 6.2 minus 3 is equal to 3.2. Two parcels are removed from the van at the first delivery. The mass of these parcels are 2.4 kilograms and 5.8 kilograms. Describe the effect that removing these parcels has on the median mass of the remaining parcels. Give a reason for your answer. So, my answer is the median is still the same. Because 2.4 is a parcel which is less than median. And 5.8 is a parcel that is greater than the median. Question 5. Find b minus a. So b is 2 and this is 5. 2 minus 3 is 2 plus 3. And minus 8, you will get 5 minus 13. 2a plus b. 2a is 2 multiplied minus 3, which is minus 6. and 2 multiply 8, which is 16, and then plus b, which is 2 and minus 5. Therefore, you will get minus 4, 11. Find the absolute of b. The absolute of the matrix is square root x squared plus y squared, which in this case is square root of 2 squared plus minus 5 squared, which is square root 29, which is around 5.39. A plus KB is equal to 13m, where k and m are integers. Find the value of k and the value of m. So A is equal to minus 3, 8, and then I will multiply k in the b. Therefore, you will get 2k and minus 5k is equal to 13m. And therefore, you will get two equations. The first one is this, and the second one is this. For the first one, minus 3 plus 2k is equal to 13. 2k is equal to 16. Therefore, k is equal to 8. And for the second one, 8 minus 5k is equal to m. And k is equal to 8. Therefore, m is equal to 8 minus 40. Therefore, m is minus 32. OABC is a parallelogram, and O is the origin. M is the midpoint of OB. N is the point on AB, such that A and 2 and B is equal to 3 to 2. OA is equal to P and OC is equal to Q. Find in terms of P and Q in its simplest form. First, find OB. OB is this. It's from OC plus CB. And OC is Q. And CB is P. Therefore, OB is Q plus P. Find CM. Therefore, CM is CO plus OM. CO is equal to minus Q because OC is Q. And then OM is 1 over 2 of OB because M is the midpoint of OB. And then this is equal to minus Q plus 1 over 2. OB is equal to Q plus P. And you will get minus Q plus P over 2. Find Mn. Mn is equal to Mb minus Bn. This one. This is Mb and minus Bn. Mb is equal to Q plus P over 2 because M is the midpoint of OB minus Bn. Bn is 2 over 5 of Q because An to Nb is 3 to 2. Therefore, this is 2, this is 3. So you get P over 2 plus Q over 10 as your answer. C, B, and ON are extended to meet at D. Find the position vector of D in terms of P and Q. Give your answer in its simplest form. Position vector of D is the position of OD because O is the origin. As you can see from this picture that OD is equal to OA plus AN and plus ND. As you can see from this picture that these two triangles are similar because these are the opposite angles and these are the alternate angles and this is also the alternate angles. Therefore, these two triangles are similar. And the similar triangles have the same ratio of each length. And from the question, they tell us that AN to NB is equal to T to 2. And therefore, from this, we will get ON to ND is equal to 3 to 2. And this is 2, this is 3. And therefore, you can write this as ON over ND is equal to 3 over 2. Therefore, ND is equal to 2 over 3 of ON. And therefore you get OA is equal to P, and AN is equal to 2 over 5 of Q, and ND is equal to 2 over 3 of ON. And this is equal to P plus 3 cubed over 5 plus 2 over 3 of P plus 3 over 5 of Q. And the answer is Q plus 5 over 3P. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe this channel. And don't forget to follow our Instagram. And lastly, good luck with your exam, guys. See you in the next video.